It's a 2017 Honda Civic Sedan. It's efficient and fun. It's practical and fun. The Civic is perfectly suited for your life and fun. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, heated sport bucket front seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, driver control suspension management, and manual transmission. Car and Driver finds its design is sleek and fastback-like, with a large, severely raked greenhouse that no longer includes frumpy front quarter windows. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.